Let's chat the differences between polarized and non-polarized sunglasses. Now firstly, both polarized and non-polarized sunglasses offer UV protection. The main difference between them is that the type of glare that they're going to be able to reduce. A polarized lens has a filter in it which is going to cut out reflected glare, whereas sunglass lens is just a tinted lens which therefore is only going to reduce glare and not eliminate it. Polarized sunglasses, you'll notice, generally come in three main colors, which is grey, brown and green, where tinted lenses or non-polarized sunglasses will come in a wide range of colors, and this is where we do our fashion tints. If you're around water a lot or reflective surfaces, then polarized lenses are what you're wanting to have to protect your eyes, because as I said, it's got the UV protection, but it's also going to cut out that reflected glare. It's actually known to enhance the ability to see through water when fishing, and different colors will give you different amount of contrast, which you're not going to get with your standard tinted lenses. If you have any questions in regards to polarized sunglasses and non-polarized sunglasses, feel free to pop them below and we'll get back to them in the next couple of days.